What's up, beauties? So I'm gonna do my hair today, okay? So y'all know I like to leave it raw, like raw, and I'm hoping I can finish it today. But I'm also off tomorrow, so honestly, it's kind of like a vlog slash doing my own hair DIY. Okay. I don't want to show y'all this, but I am gonna go to the store.
Jesus Christ.
Because I don't have anything, nothing. I have to buy the shampoo, buy the hair, and I'm gonna buy wool. Okay. And I am gonna be buying everything today. I'm just gonna put my hair in a regular ponytail, change my clothes really quick, head out. We'll come back, we're washing our hair. We're gonna keep this simple. We gotta keep it going because it's already like afternoon. I'm hoping I can finish today, but knowing how slow I go, I probably won't. Alright, we're finally done. I did my hair in a quick pony. I just put something on, looking very much don't want to do nothing. Stay at home, whatever. I put out my new slides. It's actually my first time wearing these slides out since I brought them. The video should be I want to say right here. But yeah, let's go to the store. We're finally at the beauty supply store. Just grabbing some stuff. Finally, y'all, I'm about to start on washing my hair. I got these cute little shampoo and conditioner from Marshalls. To me, they look good, and they're like really big, like a good size. So I'm actually kind of excited to try these for the first time. Hopefully they work. All right, so I finally finished my hair. These little guys were bothering me for a second because I was eating my little cereal. I'm like, I might as well make myself something to eat before I start on this hair. Let me eat my food. What, girl? What? 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 Look. What? No, it's not for you. This is for moi. And now I'm letting my cereal get soggy. Go eat. I want to try to finish by today. I do got work tomorrow. This is my first time using this blow dryer brush, so I'm hoping it works. Oh no. We're about to see. It's by Red by Kiss. Red Kiss. Okay. It's looking promising. Eh? I don't know why my cats, they follow me everywhere. Like, what you want, little guy? Move. I don't want to stay in that outlet. Oh my God, can you stay in there? Please. Okay. How I work this? Please tell me it work. It'll work. Nice. Honestly, I'm ready to start. So what we got? Using free tress hair. 48 inches. Do I really need 48 inches? I really don't want it to be that long, y'all. But yeah, using this. And then for the curls, we got free tress hair. Honestly, I don't know if this is the right kind of curly hair that people use. So I just took it. It's gonna be the right kind of curly hair we're gonna use today. And everything else. Gel, combs, some clips. I saw like a hairstylist use this Shine and Jam one. And I was like, why don't I use it? So yeah, and it says magic fingers for braiders. So I'm kind of excited to try that. I should probably do my part first. Let me turn around for y'all. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see this, but we trying our best. I was able to complete one. This is without the rubber band method. I don't know how it looks. I don't know if I should continue. And I didn't even tell y'all what hairstyle this is. I'm trying to do. Not this is. I'm trying to do goddess twists. I think the first whirl, I'm just gonna focus on trying to twist. If I can't twist, y'all, I got my backup plan. Okay, I'll do the rubber band method if I have to. But yeah, the goddess twist. So the first row I'm just gonna do braids, and then the second row I'm gonna try to add on the curls. Cause right now I just want to try to twist on my own, and if I can't, we're just gonna add on the rubber bands. Cause I'm not, baby. But one down, a lot more to go. I think I'll see y'all when I'm done. I don't think I'm gonna keep going coming in and out like I usually do. Maybe I will. We'll see what happens. My cat is just, I don't even know what he's doing. What, Bubba? Do you want? Okay, just sits here now. What happened? Okay. He just loves to be around people. I swear to God. Like, all right. I'll see y'all. Oh yeah, I am almost done. I'm tired. I'm ready to be done. It's like 2 in the morning. And this is pretty much how it's looking like. I feel like it looks good. Like I actually I feel like I actually did good. But I just wanna do the last one with you guys. But honestly, I feel like I got the twisting part together. There's only like a few that I did rubber band method. I didn't show on this video. I'm sorry about that. But but majority of them is twist out on my own. I'm so happy to be on the last one, and I got work tomorrow, y'all. How I'm gonna do it, I'll figure it out. Chase. What do you want? What happened? Look at this. Look at this. Leave me alone. Thank you. Thank you, Chase. You know what? No, what? What are you looking for? What? What? You got it. Yay! That's pretty much it. I am gonna put some mousse and spritz. No, got to be. Y'all wanna see that too? Y'all wanna see me put all that extra stuff? Yeah, I don't really need to see me do all that, but y'all already know me. Y'all already understand. But that's pretty much it. Y'all comment if y'all like it. Dang, oh, I did good. I did good. Who is this? Who, honey? Who is? I be feeling myself at work, like, and she did it by herself. Y'all can't tell me no. Like, what? I did this by myself. This was so cute. Let me go before I annoy y'all real quick.